Alrighty guys, in this video we are checking out two products from Puncube. They have sent me their everyday carry wallet and their laptop desk mat as well. The 3-in-1 desk mat, should I say. We're going to check them both out, see what they're all about, and I'm going to do the unboxing and then come back to you guys once we've finished all that to give you my overall review. Alright, we have both products here to unbox. We'll start off with the desk mat, I guess. A few details. There's a mouse pad that comes out, I guess. It says 2 adjustable gears, smooth flat clipboard, magnetic clips, minimum portable, fully compatible, fit for anywhere. This is pretty good, guys. If I'm laying in bed and I want to do some editing, I can put this on my lap and not have my laptop sitting on my lap. I think it just will work out better. So this, okay, so the clipboard obviously is this way. Okay, so that's like, looks like a clipboard there, so you can put some papers up like that. So as you guys will see, acts like a clipboard. Hold your stuff in place, really, really good. And then when you want to write on your laptop, obviously you don't have any notes back there. You move that and then you unfold your clipboard and this slides out and becomes like a mouse pad. So then I can have my mouse here and then do my editing here. This is really smart. Now I've got a 16-inch laptop and it looks like it's going to be too big for that from what it looks like on this. I think it's a little bit too big, but I think this would be ideal for like a 14-inch laptop. All right, here's a 14-inch MacBook Air. That fits on perfectly. I think that is the ideal thing for this laptop. That fits perfectly because my 16-inch, I think, will be too big. Look, you probably could make it work, but it does look a bit big. All right, let's work out how we use this laptop stand. I reckon it's really simple. Can't show you from this angle, but you guys will see from another angle, top-down angle, how this actually works, and it is pretty sturdy. That is raised right now about that much off the actual desk, which is good. And if I want to switch it out, I remove this back part and I slide this other one forward and then it drops down, as you guys can see, and then it gets even lower. So now it becomes about this far off the ground. So I just had to slide it forward a bit and I made it work. And then this here, guys, this little flap, apparently what you do is you slide this forward and then it avoids your laptop from sliding anywhere. Like it's stuck in there because it's kind of wedged in between this and then behind here. So very, very good system. Very, very, very good. These little rubber feet come in the box and apparently they're for slippery desks to keep the mat from not moving. So I guess something like my desk that's really slippery, I think these go on the bottom and they make the mat more stable. So when you're moving, it doesn't move the actual laptop stand or, yeah. So that's the laptop stand. Again, I think it's made for a small laptop. I don't think it's made for a 16-inch laptop. This is probably more ideal, which is like a 14-inch. Probably fit better, but yes, that is the stand, which is awesome for lying in bed. Even if you don't want any stand, like you don't want it to be up, you can just use this, which is still fine. So if you're not going to use the mouse pad and anything like that, this is fine for having in bed, even on a 16-inch laptop. As you guys can see now, it's virtually like, look how much smaller it is. So it just goes virtually up to the feet of the laptop, which is fine for in bed. Like if you don't need anything like that, that is going to work fine. So nothing wrong with that. If you're sitting in bed, but I think when you try to use the stand part of it is when it will become a bit of a problem and it'll be hard to use unless you have a smaller laptop. So that is the portable laptop desk is what it's called, with a built-in clipboard, which is awesome. Material, it's like a soft leathery kind of material, feels nice. Obviously not leather, it's obviously like a fake leather, but that's what that is. So that is very nice. All right, here is the Puncube everyday carry wallet. I'm pretty sure that's what it's called. Let's get this unboxed. Let's have a look what it's about. All right. So let me run through a few features with you first before we get straight stuck into it. It's got a cash band right here. It's got 3 key holders. It's got an AirTag holder and 5 card slot as well. So this is a great wallet to have. The problem I have with this wallet is it's not MagSafe. I wish it was MagSafe. If it was MagSafe, I think I'd be using it every single day. Obviously, on my back of my iPhone 15, I got a MagSafe ring that I obviously have my wallet attached to, and this doesn't have that. Not meant to have it, but I wish it did, because if it did, I think it would make it an even better product. But this is what the product is. So how it works is you've got 2 key slot holders up here. So you can put 2 keys up here, see where those arrows are. And then 1 at the bottom as well. You can see another arrow there. You guys will see, put 1 key at the top. And you can put another key next to it if you wanted to fit 2 keys like that, which is great. Let's say hypothetically you had a 3rd key You could put it at the bottom as well, and that slots straight in as well. And then you have 3 keys in the back of your wallet, so which is awesome. Now, credit cards. 5 cards can fit into here. Very flexible material here. Easily get 5 cards in, and this little secret compartment opens up, and in here you can store an AirTag. So you can have your AirTag in here, which lets you obviously track your wallet. So I guess that's where it becomes convenient, because you can still track this thing. It just doesn't attach to the back of your phone, but it does have an AirTag tracker holder area, which is great. A cool addition to have. And then on the key side, you have some money, you fold it up, and then you have an area to obviously open your keys up there, and an area to store cash, and an area to store cards, and an AirTag all in one wallet, which is awesome. So this is the everyday carry wallet from Puncube. Very, very cool. Highly recommend this one. If you don't care about MagSafe, then I think it's a great, great purchase. Alrighty guys, it's been a few weeks now that I've had my everyday carry wallet and my portable laptop desk from Puncube, and I'll let you guys know my final thoughts on both of these products. So if you did see the unboxing part of it, I did go over a majority of things with both of these products. Is there anything really final to say? Not really. Like I said in the unboxing, if you're in a market for a nice everyday wallet, but it doesn't have MagSafe, then this is the wallet for you. You can put your AirTag in there. You can put up to 5 cards. You can put your cash. You can put 3 keys. It is a great wallet to have. And again, it has the added feature of being able to track with the AirTags. A really, really great addition to have if you don't want MagSafe, or if you don't need a MagSafe. I think I really like this wallet. And again, for travel, I think this would be really awesome to have. It's nice and easy, light, and yeah, very portable. Now, with the portable laptop desk, again, if you are traveling, I think this is where it's really going to shine, because at home, you've got your desk. Anywhere else, at a cafe, again, you got a table. Unless you're in bed and you're doing work, this is probably where this would be the best, or on the couch. But apart from that, I think traveling is where this will really shine. Again, maybe if you're on the train and doing work, but I don't know if people really do that. But where I really see this being useful is when I'm traveling. So again, if I'm anywhere, I know when you're traveling, you're in your hotel, you do other places, but I know that sometimes you don't have access to any of these things, and having somewhere where you can rest a laptop that's not on your lap directly and has a bit of a barrier is great, especially for men. Again, it's got a clipboard built in, which is really, really awesome. Both these products are currently on sale. The everyday carry wallet is $39 right now on sale, USD. So if you are interested, go and pick that up. The portable laptop desk is on sale as well. It is $70 US as well. So if you're interested in that, go check that out. They are both on sale. I'll leave the links to both of these products in the description down below if you're interested. Check them out. Let me know if you do pick them up, and let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. So thank you for watching. A big shout out to Puncube for sending these out, and stay tuned. I'll catch you guys soon for another video.